Hi, this is Jeremy Kemp teaching the 203 course. This book is very near and dear to my heart. I just got this from O'Reilly. It's called Apprenticeship Patterns, and it's guidance for the aspiring software craftsman. Before you fall asleep, everything in this book is useful for people that make software, but most of it is also useful for you. This is by Dave Hoover, Hoover. What is apprenticeship and what is a pattern? You probably know what an apprentice is. It's a person who doesn't have a lot of skills in a particular domain who help someone who's a master in the domain and eventually gain the skills required to work on their own. So let me read to you what an apprenticeship pattern is. So an apprenticeship pattern attempts to offer guidance to someone working with the craft model, that can be you, the craft model, on the ways in which they can improve the progress of their career. All of our patterns have been extracted from our own experiences, and those are the people we have interviewed. Like any good collection of patterns, they should strike you as unoriginal precisely because the people around you already use them. So this is a book of patterns that people that you know and respect already use and is innate to their progress in their career. Patterns are pretty interesting. They started in the whole concept of patterns started in 1977, actually, with this book. Christopher Alexander, an architect, who found 3 or 400 patterns in architecture and codified them out. So I highly recommend this Apprenticeship Patterns book. So let me give an example of one of them. Be the worst. This is pretty interesting. Be the worst is the apprenticeship pattern. The saying here is, be the lion's tail rather than the fox's head. Okay, the problem that you're addressing with this pattern, your rate of learning has leveled off. So if you're in a work situation, obviously you come to the MLIS program, it's probably the case that your learning has leveled off. The solution is to surround yourself with people who are better than you. Find a stronger team where you are the weakest member and have room to grow. It's kind of a scary thought, but I think that's high wisdom. If you look around and you're better than everybody that you work with, you've got a problem. If you look around and you're not as good as many of the people that you work with, you're in a wonderful learning situation. So apprenticeship patterns, a very powerful concept in you moving forward in your career, and I highly recommend it.